Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to talk about Project 1. So before I go, let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Ilasa bin Sulong, and here you can see our group members.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rizan Zahiruddin Muhammad Zulkifli.
And the second one is,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairul Akmal bin Muhammad Fakri.
and the last one.
Okay, my name is Ku Muhammad Muhammad bin Ku Baharudin.
So the title for our project is Sand is a Machine, and our supervisor's name is Encik Abdul Aziz bin Abdullah. Okay, here our synopsis or summary to our project. So the first is this project is mainly focused for student Polytechnic Bukit Omar to mix the sand in foundry workshop during sand mold casting task. So by this machine, it can ensure that student can use time properly. It's like that when they use this machine, they can save more time to complete their task. Thus, it can ensure the quality of distribution of sand grain. Besides that, this project is to develop the new machine of mixing sand process. And the last one is to evaluate the performance of sand mixing machine. So that's all. I want to pass our presentation to Ku Muhammad Muhammad to continue our presentation.
Okay, my first slide. I want to talk about the problem statement. Okay, firstly, students spend a lot of time and energy getting the right mix of green sand. Second, students are unable to do the mold testing process properly. Third, students also having problem dust pollution from the sandwich mixing process. Okay, lastly, the room are not only unhealthy.
Thank you, Muhaimin. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Right now, I'm going to present about the objective of this project. Okay, firstly, the objective is to design a sand mixer machine for mold casting process. Secondly, to develop the wheels on this project. Thirdly, to develop the motor used on this project. Then, to develop the structure of body on this project. Next, to develop the power transmission between pulley and timing belt on this project. And lastly, to test the performance of the machine. Okay, I'm going to pass this presentation back to Muhaimin to continue the presentation.
Okay, next slide. I want to talk about the project scope. Okay, firstly, a design that can hold of maximum 50 kg to send in one mixing process. Okay, sekali proses, mesin ni boleh menjalankan berat sebanyak 50 kg saja. Okay, next, a machine that is able to automatically machine to send smoothly. Okay, the machine able to finish the work in short period between 10 to 50 minutes. Okay, the size of the sand machine is length 150 cm, width 75 cm, height 75 cm.
Okay, thank you, Muhaimin. Okay, right now I'm going to present about the literature review for this project. Okay, the objective for this literature review is to develop the wheel on this project. Okay, the author is Sigwok R. and Knocknuss. Okay, the title is Introduction to Autonomous Mobile Robot. The year is 2004, and for the finding is, in this project, we are using caster wheel as the mechanism movement to make sure the movement of this project is smooth. Then, caster or castor is an undriven single, double, or compound wheel that is designed to be attached to the bottom of a larger object, like the vehicle, to enable the object to be moved. Okay, lastly, caster may be fixed to roll along a straight line path or mounted on a pivot or pintle such that the wheel will automatically align itself to the direction of travel. Okay, then I'm going to pass this presentation to Nenek Eliasa.
Thank you, Kira Akmal. So I will continue my part. So the objective is to develop the motor that we want to use on this project. So the motor that we want to use on this project is induction motor. So what is induction motor? Induction motor is an AC electric motor that electric current in the rotor is needed to produce the high torque is obtained by electromagnetic induction from the magnetic field and the stator of winding. So here you can see my literature review. First is the author is John William and the title is West Motor. It was published in this year 2020. So what we find from this is the motor that operate through the rotary motion by reserving power when current flow within a magnetic field are common. And second is the motor also work by pulling the rotor pole using a rotational magnetic field created by the AC source, which causes the motor to rotate. So when the current was supplied to the motor, and then the rotor was rotate and produce the high torque that make the motor can be used. So the second is the author is Christian Cavallo and the title is Induction Motor. So from this I get that the motor is the ability to transform the electrical energy into mechanical energy, like when the electric was supplied to the motor and then the motor turn the electrical energy into the mechanical energy. Besides that, this motor also consists of stator and rotor, which
I found this on Wikipedia.
The stationary of rotational motor component respectively. And the last one is this motor are powerful machine that dominate the industrial world with their simple yet effective design. That means this motor also many people use in their daily life to do anything job. Okay, so the last one is Edinburgh and the title is Disadvantages of Induction Motor. So the disadvantages of induction motor is first, the speed control of induction motors are difficult. It is because no mechanism that able to control the induction motor. So we feed it by build one circuit that able to control the watt of the current into the induction motor. And the second one is induction motors always operate under lagging power of factor. So that's all from me. I want to pass again to Ku Muhammad Mohimin to continue our presentation.
Okay, next slide. I want to talk about my literature review. Okay, my objective is to develop the structure of body on this project. Okay, my father is Northern World. The title is Advantage of Steel. Yes, 2018. Okay, the feeling is steel is tensile. It has a high strength to weight ratio, which means it has high strength per unit mass. Steel section can be produced off-site at shop floor and then assembled on-site. Okay. Structure steel is very flexible. You can mold it into my shape without casing its properties. Okay. My second other is David Rayner. The title is History of Stainless Steel. The year is 2006. Okay, the feeling is steel is an alloy of iron and carbon and something other element. The steel qualities include the hardness, quenching behavior, a need for annealing, tempering behavior, the stress and tension stress of the resultant steel. This my literature review.
Thank you to my friend, to Mohammed. Now, uh, I want to continue our presentation. Objective to develop the power transmission fully and timing pair on this project. Author, present interaction. Data basic pulley. Year 2016. Or that a pulley is a wire spinning around an axle to aid the motion of a bear. A basic pulley need to do is loop a rope over some sort of wheel and axle. Second article is club technical. Title timing belt advantages. Year 2019. The advantage this material. Timing belt and pulley are cheap in comparison to gear. Motion transfer with belt is more accurate than rope. Almost no vibration between pulley and timing belt. No noise generation with transferring power. Very high mechanical efficiency up to 98%. No need of lubrication as compared with gear. No problem of rusting or corrosion. Why we use pulley and timing belt in our product? Because they have many advantages in our product.
Okay, thank you, Rita Zuhairi. Okay, now I want to show to you about our design of our project. So here you can see this is our full design. Yeah, we have 8 main components. So this is the part of the same machine. The first one is board switch on off, and then cut pusher, 3 caster wheel, 4 DC motor, and 5 zinc cover, and the 6 is spindle, and the 7 is mixing tank, and the 8 is sandwich disposal drawer. Okay, so that's all from me. I want to pass again to Rizal Zuhairi to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. Alisa. Estimate costing. After we do recognize the problem statement and discover solution. Second, concept design and evaluation. Third, finalize concept. And lastly, verification process and finishing. So there are list of part of our project. So you can see the list, name part, the list or and quantity. All item we get from hardware Marichan 9 Berhad. The total item is 1,183 ringgit. So all items are important to make sure our project will be successful next semester.
Okay, my last slide is I want to talk the block diagram. Firstly, power supply output to DC motor and go to green cell instead. Lepas tu go to switch on, send refilling process. Lepas tu add water. Lepas tu mixing wheel. Lepas tu send more casting process.
Okay, again, thank you, Muhaimin. Okay, right now I'm going to talk about the conclusion for this project. Okay, firstly, based on the design of the project, it is user-friendly and easy to use the machine. Secondly, the machine can minimal or less time taken needed for the students to finish their mold casting process. And finally, this project is very suitable and relevant to use because can make surrounding free pollution and less energy needed. Okay, next I'm going to pass the presentation to Rizwan Zuhairi.
Thank you, Khairul Akmal. Reference. So you can see the all reference from literature review. First point and second point from Khairul Akmal. Third point and point 4 from Daniel Rizal. Point 5 and point 6 from Muhammad. Point 7 and 8 from me. So this is our reference. So this is the slide for me, Ganchak. So you can see what we do in this semester for project 1. Black color for training and yellow color for actual. Firstly, we do project briefing and submission of project data to supervisor. Second week, we do project research, project design and design combination. Proposal progress, we do week 2 to week 40. Week 3 to week 5, we do introduction. Week 6 to week 8, we do literature review. Week 8 to week 10, we do methodology. So the planning, proposal presentation and proposal submission is week 11 to week 40. So that's all for me. I want pass our presentation to my friend.
Okay, thank you, Rizwan. Okay, right now I'm going to present about the flowchart during semester 4. Okay, firstly, for the introduction, the detail of the project will be discussed thoroughly. It is divided into several stages for detailed explanation of the methodology that is being used in this project to make it complete and working well. And then secondly, the problem statement. For the problem statement, some problems had been identified during this project development. Among them, students spend a lot of time and energy getting the right mix of green sand. Besides that, students having problem dust pollution from the sand while mixing process. We have gathered some idea to build a new machine for sand mixing that can make surrounding environmental come more healthy and free dust. Okay. Thirdly, for the background research, we have done some research to identify the appropriate material used to build the machine. Then, fourthly, the objective will be started with the design of the prototype, continue with the produce the prototype, and end with test and evaluate the effectiveness of the sand mixer machine. Fifthly, based on the studies and research, the scope of study will be explained in the project and what will be the elements that will be used in the project. Okay, sixthly, for the literature review, the information that come from journal, book, and article based on the research. The method is used by Google Scholar, Google website, books, and article website. It explains about the method, equipment, and design used for the prototype. Then the expected outcome of this product is the product is the same as a machine can be designed successfully and can be produced and work well. Next, for the proposal presentation, we have presented our work to panelists to ensure that the project we have created are capable of operating well. Okay, lastly, we have submitted a proposal to our supervisor to make sure it is consistent with the project we are working on. Then, he will be able to provide the best score for our project. I think that's all from us. We hope you can accept our ideas for building this project. And I ended the presentation with a thank you and stay safe.